The iconic off-roader celebrates an important jubilee, and with no exaggeration, the all-new 2026 Ford Bronco makes me cry tears of joy. The special anniversary edition is here, but it's not the only big novelty that's coming with this model's year. Updates are comprehensive and make a difference, so stay with us and take a look. It's Bronco's B-Day. Here's where things get really exciting. Ford is throwing the ultimate birthday party for the Bronco's 60th anniversary, and they're pulling out all the stops. We're talking about a special edition that honors 6 decades of American off-road excellence, and trust me, this isn't just some basic badge-slapping exercise. The 2026 Bronco 60th anniversary package is built on the well-equipped Outer Banks trim level, which already brings serious capability to the table. But Ford didn't stop there. They've created something that perfectly blends heritage with modern performance, and the result is absolutely stunning. What makes this anniversary edition so special? For starters, you get exclusive Wimbledon white paint, the same iconic color that graced the original 1966 Bronco. It's paired with a matching hardtop that creates a cohesive, classic look that screams vintage cool. But if you want to make an even bolder statement, Ford offers a ruby red body with the Wimbledon white roof, creating a striking two-tone combination that turns heads everywhere you go. The attention to detail is where this anniversary package really shines. Check out those 17-inch gravity gray wheels with contrasting vermilion red center caps. They're not just stylish, they're a direct homage to the original 1966 Bronco's hubcaps. The center caps feature the iconic bucking Bronco logo right in the middle, with 1966 proudly displayed around the outer ring. The front grille takes heavy inspiration from the original Bronco design, painted in warm alloy with modern vermilion red Bronco lettering that pops against the metallic finish. Running down the body sides, you'll find vermilion red graphics that start at the front with the special 60th anniversary logo, a design that's both subtle and unmistakably special. The fender badges deserve special mention too. These aren't your typical anniversary badges. They're inspired by classic cloisonne badging, just like what Ford used on the Mustang 60th anniversary package. Each badge prominently displays the bucking Bronco emblem alongside established 1966 wording, leaving absolutely no doubt about this Bronco's heritage pedigree. Here's what makes this even more special. This anniversary package only comes with the Sasquatch equipment. That means you're getting the advanced 4-wheel drive system with high-clearance suspension, electronic locking front and rear differentials, and those massive 35-inch Goodyear rugged terrain tires. This isn't just a pretty face, it's a capable machine that honors the Bronco's off-road DNA. The anniversary package also includes wheelbase-length running boards as standard equipment, making it easier to climb into the lifted beast. And in a running change for all 2026 models, Ford has added new assist bars on each A-pillar, giving you even more grab points when the going gets tough. Exterior updates. While the 60th anniversary package gets the spotlight, the regular 2026 Bronco lineup receives its own set of thoughtful exterior refinements. Ford understands that the current Bronco's design is already iconic, so they've focused on subtle enhancements that polish the look. The front end gets the most attention, with a refined grille design that maintains the Bronco's bold character. The LED lighting setup has been updated with brighter output and better beam patterns, ensuring you can see what's ahead whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating technical terrain after dark. New wheel designs join the lineup across multiple trim levels. These aren't just style updates either. Ford has optimized the wheel designs for better airflow and cooling, which helps maintain performance during extended off-road sessions. The available beadlock-capable wheels now come in additional finishes, giving buyers more ways to personalize their Bronco's appearance. Body-colored accents become more widely available throughout the lineup. Fender flares, mirror caps, and door handles can now be ordered in matching or contrasting finishes on more trim levels, allowing drivers to create a more cohesive or distinctive look depending on their preferences. Rugged but modern cabin. The 2026 Bronco's cabin brilliantly balances rugged functionality with genuine comfort. This isn't just about throwing some rubber mats on the floor and calling it adventure-ready, though those rubber floors are definitely available for those who need them. The cabin is designed around the reality that Bronco owners live active lifestyles. Every surface, every material choice reflects this understanding. You'll find durable materials that can handle muddy boots and sandy clothes, but they don't feel cheap or basic. Instead, Ford has chosen materials that look good, feel substantial, and clean up easily. What makes the Bronco truly special is its removable elements. The doors come off with minimal tools and effort, and they store neatly inside the 4-door models. The hardtop panels can be removed individually or as complete sections, and the process is simple enough that you'll actually use this feature regularly. Speaking of variants, the Bronco comes in both 2-door and 4-door configurations. The 2-door maintains that classic sporty profile that harkens back to the original Bronco. It's perfect for those who prioritize style and don't need rear passenger space regularly. The 4-door offers practical family-friendly space while maintaining impressive off-road capability. The dashboard layout puts everything within easy reach, with larger controls that work even when you're wearing gloves. Physical buttons and knobs handle the most important functions, so you're not digging through touchscreen menus when you need to engage 4-wheel drive or adjust suspension settings. Tech features. The 2026 Bronco's technology package strikes the perfect balance between capability and convenience. Ford understands that Bronco buyers want modern connectivity without sacrificing the rugged simplicity that makes this truck so appealing. The centerpiece is a large 12-inch touchscreen running Ford's latest Sync 5 infotainment system. This isn't just bigger for the sake of being bigger. The larger screen makes it easier to use key functions when you're bouncing around on rough terrain. The interface is intuitive, with large icons and straightforward menus. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, eliminating the need for cables that can get damaged or lost during outdoor adventures. The system supports multiple phone connections, so passengers can easily share music or navigation duties without having to reconfigure everything. The off-road specific technology is where things get really impressive. Trail control acts like cruise control for technical terrain, automatically managing throttle and braking at low speeds so you can focus on steering. Trail Turn Assist uses brakes to help the Bronco turn more sharply in tight spots. Powertrain options. The base engine is a 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder that produces 300 horsepower. Don't let the 4-cylinder configuration fool you. This engine delivers impressive torque output that's perfectly suited for off-road work. The turbocharger provides strong low-end grunt, which is exactly what you need when climbing steep grades or powering through deep sand. For those who want more muscle, the 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 steps up with 330 horsepower. This engine transforms the Bronco's character, providing effortless acceleration and abundant power reserves. It's particularly impressive when towing or carrying heavy loads. Both engines pair with Ford's proven 10-speed automatic transmission. This transmission has been specifically calibrated for off-road use, with programming that prioritizes smooth operation and precise control over outright speed. The gear ratios are well spaced, ensuring that you always have the right gear for the conditions. Here's something special. The base 4-cylinder engine is also available with a 7-speed manual transmission. This is becoming increasingly rare in the SUV world, but Ford recognizes that many Bronco buyers want the control and engagement that only a manual gearbox can provide. Off-road expert. The Bronco's off-road capabilities are truly in a class of their own. Ford didn't just build another SUV and call it capable. They engineered a vehicle that can genuinely tackle terrain that would stop most other trucks in their tracks. The foundation starts with a proper body-on-frame construction. This traditional approach provides the structural strength needed for serious off-road abuse while allowing for better articulation over uneven terrain. The frame is robust enough to handle recovery operations and equipped with multiple tie-down points. The available locking differentials make a huge difference in traction-limited situations. Front and rear electronic lockers can be engaged independently, allowing you to match the traction to the terrain. Whether you're dealing with loose sand, slippery rocks, or muddy ruts, the ability to lock differentials ensures power goes where it's needed most. But here's where things get really exciting. The Bronco Raptor takes everything to an entirely different level. It starts with a more powerful engine, a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 that cranks out 418 horsepower. This engine is specifically tuned for high-speed desert running, with enhanced cooling systems and reinforced internals that can handle sustained high-performance operations. The suspension system is the real star of the Raptor package. Ford's Haas 4.0 system uses advanced Fox Live valve dampers that automatically adjust to terrain conditions in real time. The system can go from soft and compliant for highway driving to firm and controlled for high-speed off-road work in milliseconds. Massive 37-inch tires come standard on the Raptor, wrapped around special wheels designed to handle the extreme forces generated during high-speed off-road driving. The Raptor also gets unique body panels and improved approach angles with integrated recovery points. Release date and price. The 2026 Ford Bronco, including the new 60th anniversary package, is just around the corner. Base model pricing will start around $38,000, maintaining the Bronco's competitive position in the market. Higher trim levels and special editions will naturally cost more, but Ford is committed to keeping the Bronco accessible to enthusiasts at various price points. But Bronco's key rival is also getting important updates for the next year. Check out this video about the 2026 Jeep Wrangler, which you can now see on the screen. It won't bring any anniversary edition, but its plug-in hybrid powertrain will get major improvements in power, efficiency, and EV range.